Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a model of the air blast load over the SCS or steel concrete steel or sandwich beam here, which the steel plates are connected to the ultra high performance concrete as a middle core with the steel stud. You can see here these are the steel stud. Let me make it part instances. These are the steel stud in the concrete. You can see that here, and we did the blast load analysis here, and the source point of the blast load is the near of the frontal surface of the steel part. Let me click on animate. See, this is a deformation which comes from the um, blast load, and you can see the critical zones or the contact zone. You can see that between the studs and the concrete. So let me to first click on animate, and before that let me to use this option, make it 0 to have a better view, and make it 5, make it 8. Okay, now let me to click on animate. You can see here the stress propagations. Okay, and this is the final result. Now let me to remove the concrete and check it in this view. See here, you can see the deformation of the stud at the middle here. And this is the final deformation of the steel members. And let me check the damage. For instance, Johnson Cook damage here. It has happened for the studs as a critical zones. The convex blast load here for the frontal surface. And now let me request the damage for the concrete and replace it here. You can see the ultra high performance concrete damage. This is not normal concrete, this is ultra high performance concrete. You can see the result and the element which is removed here, and these are the stud locations here, here and here. These are the stud locations. This is the damage for it: pressure due to buckling, the ductile damage, plastic strain, and everything else. And this is the stress. Okay, and this is the composite model. Also we can check, for instance, the reaction force for this here. You can see this is the reaction force for this part, and we apply the boundary condition at the end of the beams here and here for both steel parts. Okay, so if you need to model the SCS composite beam, steel and ultra performance concrete connected with studs, steel studs, you can use this tutorial to learn this subject. And if you need it, you can come to our website here, www.abacusfm.com. Find the English tutorial with English title. For instance, this is our purpose here. Click on title, then you will have the explanation about the geometry, material, step interaction load, and then the result as figures here. The cost for the CIMP paper, English video file, and all other related file is, files is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address to tell you about the purchasing process. If you have any question after providing the tutorial or need help in regard to your project, you can ask me by using an email here like this. Use this email, and then I will answer your questions about your work, about our tutorial, and I will support you. But we have a full package here. You can see a full package contains 400, more than 400 tutorials, and we gather all tutorials till January 2022 in this full package containing all things like explosion with all method, impact high and low for any materials, welding, biomechanic, forming, crack, soil, fluid structure, CFD, thermal analysis, cyclic, masonry, discrete, rigid, I don't know everything, acoustic method, and everything with more than 400 tutorials with an exceptional price that is so suitable for the students. Please, if you want this full package to learn all things about the simulation and modeling, contact me to this email, and you will be able to provide this full package with a good price that is so affordable for you. So if you need it, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.